Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to part 4 of our multi-part series where I'm doing a full painting and showing my entire painting process. Just as a reminder, if you haven't seen the other videos, and I would recommend you see those because I lay the groundwork in there for all of these other videos, we're doing a tetradic color scheme, which is two sets of complementary colors. We're using yellow and violet and orange and blue as our 4 colors, or as our tetrad. Right, my violet is going to form my dominant, the chromatic dominance for the painting. Blue is going to be sort of a non-dominant supporting color, and then 2 accents of yellow and orange that will start to form the centers of interest, or the accent areas. Okay, so let's keep painting. All right, I can see here that I've got this sort of a line down through here that I really don't like that at all. So I've got to do something to change that around a little bit. I'm going to start by adding a little violet in here. Mix this in with the blue a little bit as I move up. Pull a little bit of the blue down here, just for fun. Kind of connect that shape just a little bit, just subtly sort of connect that down below. Ooh, look out. When you start painting, man, you get all excited about doing stuff and you start going a little crazy. Just doing a little scraping with a little broken off brush handle that I've had for decades. Okay, so I think now what I might want to do is take a little bit of this blue and take some of this over into here. They're going to begin to break up this sort of a violet line, if you will, that I have going through here. And a lighter value of this red violet color that I used a while ago. Probably not exactly what I wanted to do there. This a lighter value at the top. Work it down into the blue and work some of the blue up into the top here. really trying to get this canvas covered right now because this white value that's poking out is really, you know, since that was the lightest value, it's really starting to affect my decision making on my values. So I need to get that covered up. Rather quickly. I don't really want this hard edge here. I'm going to soften that a bit. Same thing here. I think I'm going to soften that whole thing. It's always about the shapes and the values, you know, always shapes and values. Let's get this covered up here. This is right now it's sort of a distraction because it's so white. I don't want to lose this edge here. Okie dokie. Let's see what we've got. All right. Right now I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. Which sometimes happens when you're doing a painting. It's like, you know, I'm not sure what's happening yet or what's going to happen. Anyway, that concludes part 4. We're going to move into part 5, and you can see I got a lot of work to do and a lot of decisions to make as I move forward to get this painting finished, okay, which we're going to try to do that in the next video, although I think that's going to take some work. Anyway, thanks for sticking in here. I hope this was helpful for you as a way to see how other people go about making work. It doesn't mean this is the process for you. Maybe it is. Maybe it's a place for you to start. Anyway, I hope it was helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.